Robert Kubica Model Build Part 4. First, I get the image of the steering wheel and reinforce it with card. Next, I cut out the buttons and add depth. A past build W09 steering wheel. I continue to build and add the control switches. Now I start on the other side of the steering wheel. The parts are very small, so I use modeling tweezers to hold parts in place. I sketch out what I need to build then. I cut out the parts, detail them up, then glue them in place. To make the grips, I wrapped sock material around 2 pieces of card. Next, I build the paddle shift levers. I also add mini screws. Next to build is the BMW Sauber F108 chassis. Thanks for watching.